What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So typically when we talk about price predictions, in my videos, I mainly explain my price predictions. I will go through maybe one or two that's on the internet, but here we're going to go through some of the top price predictions that are out there. Um, According to this article from the Crypto Basic, we're going to talk about different ones that range all the way up to $500 per coin. Sorry if this is skipping. It just when I tend to go back and forth on the internet for some reason. I'm getting a new computer, so for some reason this is just a problem and it sometimes skips. So hopefully everything's okay eventually. But guys, if you could, we're going to talk about XRP in this video. We're going to talk about price predictions. If you could, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys want to sign up for that platform. It honestly is a very good platform. I've been using it for, I don't even know how many months at this point, but I've been gaining quite a bit when it comes to trading, leverage trading. I've had ups and downs. I've had some days where I've gained a lot less or have lost money. I have some days where I've gained a lot more, like thousands of dollars. Um, so it really all depends on what the market is doing and the different actions that you take as you leverage trade. You can leverage trade all the way up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin. You can trade as little as 5x leverage on everything that's there. You can also trade XRP and Jasmine Coin and a lot of other projects, right? So let's talk about XRP, where the current price of XRP is actually up 1% on the day. We're seeing volume that is down though. I have honestly never seen XRP at this low volume. It's at $580 million. Typically, XRP hovers around a billion, 2 billion, sometimes all the way up to about $5 billion, right? It ends up pushing billions of dollars through the market. But we're seeing 38% decrease in the volume, which still, even that wasn't above $1 billion. But the good thing is, and I don't know if this is a good thing, the overall volume is down by 13%. Seeing the overall volume of the crypto market at 52 billion, almost 53 billion, you understand that a lot of that is going to flow through, things like Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff like that. And you're not really going to see a crazy amount into XRP. You would love to see it, especially if you saw some like brand new, like brand spanking news. But you haven't seen that lately, right? It's been always around the SEC versus Ripple and what's going on there. But the market cap is sitting at a $28.7 billion market cap. And I think we're in a good spot. I feel as though there's so much more success for this project later on as you see the altcoin season thrive, as you see, you know, Bitcoin drop in price or other things start to take over that dominance. Then yeah, I mean, you're going to see XRP be one of those things. But we also need to see clarity within, not only XRP being labeled as, a security or not a security, which it's not a security, also within Ripple's clarity and exactly how much they're going to pay as a parent company. Now, into the price prediction. You've heard my price predictions and where I believe things are going, but I have certain levels to sell anyway. So it's not necessarily saying I'm holding just until that time. Like I'm not going to hold everything until we get to a level of $100. Because if we get to $100, and I have, the 80,000 coins that I have, right? I'm adding two zeros and I end up seeing $8 million. That's fantastic, but I don't expect to hold all the way to that point, hold everything until that point. I have my exit plan. However, I do expect to hold something until that point. Definitely a larger amount though. But if we look at the price predictions here based on the Crypto Basic, right? This article goes through price predictions from $98 to $500, right? So late last August, market analysis, our market analyst, Crypto Insight UK, called attention to a pattern recorded by XRP BTC chart in 2017. This pattern, which involved a crossover of a pivotal EMAs, resulted in massive price uptrend. The analyst noted that the trend was repeating itself, predicting imminent rise to $98.26, which would be amazing for me. I don't know if I still have that up, but my exit plan, if I decide to take all of this out and it does get to a level of $100, you see what this ends up being. So let me take out all of this. I'm going to put it back. But if it got to a level of, let's say, $90, I'm looking at 7.6 million. However, throughout that process, I am going to take a decent amount that's there, but it gives me a way to get my exit plan started, especially as it gets to about $15. That's $1 million already. Yeah, they predicted it to $98.26. Amid the ongoing market turbulence, analyst Javon Marks asserted 10 days ago that XRP's bullish trajectory remains on track. He maintained his conviction that XRP could witness a 400x increase to $288 price threshold. Again, would be amazing. And again, this isn't just me. These are analysts that are out there, right? Experts in the space. Meanwhile, last August, XRP changed hands at 53 cents. Prominent crypto analyst Egrag presented a roadmap that could see ultimately a rally of 75%. This price upsurge reached, considering a factor of 60x, would see XRP hit a lofty price of $400. 2 weeks ago, crypto analyst Barry C projected timelines within which XRP could soar to an ambitious price target. His projections first presented $1, $3, $10, $15 targets, noting that these prices would be considered cheap at various points. He asserted XRP could ultimately hit $500. So obviously, these targets for $98 to $500 is definitely something that people will argue won't happen or can't happen. And I understand where they're coming from, right? Because it is a lofty market cap, right? Because if you look at a $500 price point, that's a $26 trillion level, right? Getting to $100, I can see $5 trillion. But then when you start to look, you have to kind of ignore market cap at that point. Once you get above $200, you have to ignore market cap, because $10 trillion for one project versus whatever the crypto market is, it just doesn't line up with a lot of people. That means that XRP could hold all of the domination of the market. Instead of seeing Bitcoin at 53%, you see XRP at 99%, right? Or something like that. Or maybe they hold 50% at this point, and the overall market is worth, $20 trillion, and you see XRP at 10 or 11 trillion of that $20 trillion. That could be the case as well. So it's interesting to say whether this could happen or can't happen, but I always like to put out expert predictions, not only my prediction, which isn't an expert prediction, but you have to take everything with a grain of salt. Make sure as you see a lot of these prices that may happen or do happen, right, you end up taking profit in certain areas. Have an exit plan set up. And if you have an exit plan, you can feel good about what you're holding for the longer term and end up living out, kind of that dream of holding 10,000 at $1,000, or holding 5,000 at $1,000, or 1,000 at $1,000, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. But guys, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.